Men don't fail because they're weak. They fail because the world is rigged to distract them. And if you don't see it, you're already losing. Now, let's be honest. How many times have you promised yourself never again, only to end up face first in a cheeseburger or scrolling at 2 a.m.? Exactly. Everywhere you turn, bam. Another temptation. Social media whispering, just one more scroll. Your friend hitting you with the drinks tonight text. Fast food glowing like it's heaven sent. And that other temptation online we both know about. Yeah, let's not pretend it doesn't exist. And the worst part? It's not just the world outside, it's the voice inside. You tell yourself, I deserve this. Just this once. Everyone does it. And boom. Momentary pleasure followed by guilt, regret, maybe even shame. Then tomorrow, you promise yourself it'll be different. But the cycle resets like bad Netflix reruns. And here's the gut punch. A week turns into a month turns into a year. Suddenly, you're not just battling temptation. You're living a smaller life than the one you promised yourself. And deep down, you know it. Our brain is basically a golden retriever chasing squirrels. Every ad, every notification, every pair of curves walking past another squirrel. But here's the good news. You can train that dog. Once you do, life gets sharper, simpler, and way more fun. So let me hand you a weapon you can actually use today. The pause rule. Next time temptation hits, don't fight it, don't give in. Just pause. 90 seconds. Ask yourself, will I be glad I did this tomorrow morning? That one pause rewires your brain. It gives you the control back. Here's where it gets powerful. Don't just try it once. Try it once today, twice tomorrow. By day 3, you're stacking wins. Those little 90-second pauses build discipline like compound interest. And suddenly, you're not the guy haunted by regret. You're the guy who actually does what he says. And trust me, women notice that. Your boss notices that. Most importantly, you notice that. So here's your challenge. Before this day ends, try the pause rule once, just once. Prove to yourself that you're not at the mercy of distractions. Because this isn't about cheeseburgers or scrolling, it's about becoming the man who can't be pulled off course. And if you're serious about becoming that man, the one who doesn't cave every time the world waves a shiny toy in front of him, hit subscribe. Because every video here, it's another weapon in your arsenal.